Toolbox Freakshow.
Oh my god. I see f***ing...
Can barely even see what's on the camera because there's no lights in here.
It's alright. Where's the other kit? Okay, these ain't the order that I had them in last.
That was the problem, this one box.
Whoever the hell was in, here's my spanner wrench. So whoever's for my grinder, whoever the hell was in here last didn't organize in the same fashion in which
Not good. Don't mess with people's tools. Toolboxes and pegboards are set up a certain way for a reason.
If you do, just put it back. You know what I mean?
Too
you want to hear
difficult.
it comes to S, fire up.
Sure, we'll make a new video for that.